Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to copy report profiles to other entities. Reports that are tailored to your requirements are already a useful tool for anyone working in the healthcare sector. You may now replicate your pre-set up profiles to other entities for added peace of mind, which will spare you the effort and hassle of constantly rebuilding those customized profiles. Convenience is only a few clicks away. First, let us navigate to the profile setup screen. From the diary screen, click on the navigation wheel on the navigation bar. The navigation wheel will open. Click on the configuration segment. The cache register management screen will open. Finally, click on the profile setup tab. Now we will go over how to copy a selected profile over to another entity. Click on the Report Profile sub-tab to open the Report Profile screen. For the purpose of this video, we'll be using the Data Drawdown report as an example. Click on the Data Drawdown report panel to expand. All previously set up profiles will display under this panel. You can copy more than one report at a time. Therefore, take whichever report you would like to transfer over. Once your selection has been made, click on the Copy Profiles to Entity button. The Report Profiles Entities screen will open, where you can select the entities you would like to transfer the profile to. Please note that multiple entities can be selected if necessary. Click on the OK button. The copied report profile will now reflect on the selected entity.